If you're seeing a Captcha error in Chrome, don't worry. This is usually a simple browser, cache, or network issue. And in this video, I'll walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step. These methods are easy to follow, and they work for most common Captcha problems on websites like Google, login pages, forms, and any site that keeps asking you to verify you're human. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into the first method. The first thing to try is refreshing the Captcha. A lot of the time, the Captcha system just glitches temporarily, or the challenge expires before you finish it. So go back to the page, look for the refresh icon on the Captcha box, and click it to load a new challenge. Then try it again carefully. If the checkbox or image challenge still doesn't work, reload the entire page and try once more. This simple step sounds basic, but it often fixes the issue immediately because the Captcha just needs a fresh session. If refreshing doesn't help, the next method is clearing your cache and cookies into Chrome. Old cookies, corrupted site data, or stored browser files can interfere with Captcha verification and make Chrome think something is wrong. To do this quickly, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. That will open Chrome's Clear Browsing Data menu. From here, make sure you select cookies and site data and cached images and files. You can also choose the time range depending on how much you want to clear, but if you're not sure, select all time for the cleanest reset. Once the correct boxes are selected, click Clear Data. After that, close the tab, reopen the website, and try the Captcha again. In many cases, this fixes the issue because the browser is no longer using outdated data that was breaking the verification process. Now, if the Captcha is still failing, another very common cause is a VPN or proxy connection. Captcha systems are designed to protect websites from suspicious traffic, and they often block VPNs, proxies, shared IP addresses, or anything that looks unusual. So if you're using a VPN, turn it off temporarily and refresh the page. If your browser or network setup uses a proxy, disable that as well and try again. Once the VPN or proxy is off, repeat the Captcha and see if it loads properly. A lot of websites are much more likely to trust a normal direct connection than a masked one, so this step can make a huge difference. If you still have the same problem, try another network. Sometimes your IP address gets flagged by the website even if you haven't done anything wrong. That can happen on shared Wi-Fi networks, school networks, office networks, or even public internet connections. The easiest way to test this is by switching to a mobile hotspot or connecting to a different Wi-Fi network. Then open Chrome again and try the Captcha on the new connection. If it works on one network but not another, that tells you the issue is related to the IP or network reputation rather than your browser itself. If you've made it this far and the video is helping, take a second to subscribe so you don't miss more simple fixes for Chrome and other browser problems. I post practical tutorials that save you time and help you solve issues fast. To recap, if you get a Captcha error in Chrome, first refresh the Captcha and reload the page. Second, clear your cache and cookies using Ctrl, Shift, and Delete. Third, disable any VPN or proxy that may be causing the site to block your connection. And finally, try a different network like a mobile hotspot or another Wi-Fi connection if your IP has been flagged. These steps solve most Captcha issues without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If one method doesn't work, move to the next one until the Captcha loads correctly. Thanks for watching, and if this fixed your problem, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.